Schools succeed with Laundry Detergent Fundraiser. Good, clean fundraising, providing a fundraiser that makes sense. Selling necessity items instead of candy and cookie dough results in schools finding they can get much more out of their annual fundraising effort. The Laundry Detergent Fundraiser is a winner. April 8, 2015. Good, clean fundraising is based in Fredericksburg, Virginia, maybe changing the way funds are raised for school athletic programs. Their fundraiser involves the organization raising much-needed funds through selling liquid laundry detergent. Selling a household staple makes it easier for the school to get huge support from the community. Chantel Wilt, president of the company, states that the program's success is largely based upon our different approach toward fundraising. Laundry detergent is a product that every household already purchases. When buying laundry detergent through the fundraiser, they're getting a similar product to the name brand at a fraction of the cost and supporting the organization at the same time. The Good Clean Fundraising provides a customized order form with the logo of the organization so that it can be printed out and distributed to all fundraiser participants. In addition, they also provide a social media campaign to assist the group in spreading the word about the laundry detergent fundraising program. The profit margin allows for the group to keep a large percentage of the sale price. The detergent is then shipped by trucking company directly to the organization for distribution. The history of successful school fundraisers is impressive. It was reported that a school in Ohio sold 2,600 units of the laundry detergent and turned a profit of $26,000. In a video released by the company, high school music director George Willingham describes their experience with the laundry detergent fundraiser by saying, "We got better participation from the parents and the kids, and more support from the community, and the sales were through the roof." High school athletic director Ken Chase states, "We were looking for something different than the usual car wash and bake sales. Good Clean Fundraising provided an easy program which helped us raise $16,000 in 3 weeks. Good Clean Fundraising COO Michael Fitzgerald states, "Many times, schools and youth athletic programs are burdened with pitching friends, family, and neighbors with overpriced candy and things that are solely purchased to show support for the organization. Our laundry detergent fundraising program works really well because the product is a value-priced necessity item." For more information about this laundry detergent fundraising program, contact Good Clean Fundraising through the number in the press release or by email. You can also visit their website for more information. Brought to you by That's the News Network.